Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool shadow box for you. This is my Sailboat by the Beach shadow box. Isn't that so fun? We've got some cool palm trees, those little coconuts there on the bottom, the sailboat in the middle just floating by, and even more palm trees in the very back. Like all my different shadow boxes, this is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab all of our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2023. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP23. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. You'll see that our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this to fit within the inside dimensions of the particular shadow box that I'll be using for this project. I have linked the shadow box that I'll be using in the materials list of the written tutorial, and the inside dimensions are 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using a different shadow box or be using this design for a different project, you can come up to the sizing options and change the sizing. One thing that I want you to do is make sure that the lock proportions is on so that you don't distort the image at all. Since mine has already been sized appropriately, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to put together the shadow box. You can totally use foam squares if you want. Normally what I like to do is just to stack everything on top of each other. I think I am going to add a little bit of foam squares. I'm going to add some behind the brown layer for the palm trees and then behind the sailboat. And I think that that will be good. I might do some behind these smaller palm trees too. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foam squares on and then I'll see you when I'm done with that. Okay, so I have my shadow box all ready to go here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start to place everything inside. So I'm going to start with the front layer, which would then be the light green, then the brown layer, then the lighter blue, then the sailboat, darker blue, smaller palm trees, and then the white backing. Go ahead and place that backing piece in and close it up. And there is our fun Sailboat by the Beach shadow box. Isn't that so cool? Wasn't this one so fun? I love the shadow boxes because you can totally use different paper and make it have a completely different feel. Resize the design depending on if you want to turn it into a card, use it in a bigger or smaller shadow box, whatever you wish. There are so many different options for this. I hope that you make this one. If you make it, I hope that you share it with me. Make sure to post it either in our Facebook group, our member group, or through email. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next summer craft party video. Bye!